Hey guys, welcome to Natural Health Vibes, where I give you simple but yet sustainable health tips to make healthy a norm. Today, I want to talk with you about 5 foods that are going to help repair your gut. If you are experiencing digestive problems, especially things like bloating, these foods will definitely help to repair your gut. First up is my favorite, avocados. I call this the silken balm. It's creamy, clean, and deeply satisfying. Avocados are more than just a trend. They're monosaturated fats, calm gut inflammation, and support nutrient absorption. With both soluble and insoluble fiber, they nourish the microbiome and encourage regular digestion. They also deliver essential minerals like magnesium and potassium to support gut muscle function. And they're rich in glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the gut lining from oxidative stress. Avocados are very versatile. I love including avocados in a green smoothie. You can blend half of an avocado with coconut water, frozen pineapple, spinach, fresh ginger, and a splash of lime. The result is a silky, mineral-rich green smoothie that soothes and energizes from the inside out. Number 2, chia seeds. I call this nature's pearls. These tiny seeds are nutrient-packed and also versatile. They're high in prebiotic fiber and they feed good gut bacteria. Their omega-3 content helps lower inflammation throughout the digestive tract. Their gel-like texture is soothing and encourages gentle, regular elimination. Plus, they're full of polyphenols, plant compounds that act as antioxidants and support microbial balance. What I like to do is make chia seed pudding. You can soak 3 tablespoons of chia seeds in almond milk with pure vanilla extract, and you can get a little fancy and drop of rose water. Let it sit overnight. In the morning, top with some berries, pistachios, and a drizzle of manuka honey for a breakfast that feels like a spa day. Number 3, I call kale the queen of greens. They're elegant, they're earthy, and full of power. Kale is more than just leafy though. It's packed with antioxidants. It supports detoxification and reduces gut inflammation. Its high fiber content promotes regular digestion and a balanced microbiome. It's loaded with chlorophyll and it helps protect and heal the gut lining. Kale also contains vitamin K and calcium, supporting the health of your intestinal walls. You can make a lemon tahini kale salad. Massage kale leaves with fresh lemon juice, add a touch of sea salt, and cold press olive oil until it gets soft. You can top with some shaved fennel, sliced avocado, and a drizzle of tahini. It's light, detoxifying, and full of texture. Number 4, we have ginger. I call this the warming root. It's fragrant, it's grounding, and ancient, and it is a digestive ritual in itself. It stimulates digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food with ease. Its anti-inflammatory compounds helps to reduce bloating and discomfort. It improves gut motility, preventing stagnation and encouraging flow. Ginger also enhances nutrient assimilation, making your digestion more efficient and effective. You can go ahead and brew a ginger tea with slices of fresh root, lemon, and a spoonful of raw honey. Sip it slowly because it's going to taste like a warm silk wrap for your belly. Last but not least, we have limes. I absolutely love limes. I cook with it all the time and I put it in all of my juices when I make some fresh pressed juice. I call limes the citrus cleanser. It's bright, it's refreshing, it's vibrationally high, it awakens and cleanses. Limes trigger the release of digestive enzymes and bile, priming your gut for optimal function. It's rich in vitamin C. They support tissue repair in the gut lining and overall immunity. They're alkalizing after digestion, helping reduce that acid in the body. They're also antimicrobial, naturally supporting a healthy gut environment. What I like to do is begin each morning with warm water and a fresh squeezed lime. It's a minimalist ritual with maximum benefits. It's a gentle detox. It is a digestive stimulation, and it's great for that cellular hydration. Gut health doesn't have to be complicated. With the right ingredients and being intentional, healing becomes a daily luxury. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.